Barack Obama's bodyguard caught doing something strange in the bush. Video: Barack Obama's bodyguard caught doing it in the bush while he delivered Mandela lecture speech. Johannesburg, ahead of the 100th birthday of former South African President Nelson Mandela, Barack Obama delivered the 16th Nelson Mandela annual lecture at the Wanderers Stadium on Tuesday while one of his security people was involved in a shocking and embarrassing conduct. After all, he is a human being and we are all not perfect. President Obama, cheers and applause. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Laughter. Audience: yes, we can. Yes, we can. Yes, we can.